Types of going live. Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. Harry's back.
I am back, and I'm hanging out in the basement.
Is it called a rumpus room?
No.
Yeah.
Just the basement. We got foundations up here in Canada. Dig into the ground.
We don't do basements here because our ground swells and it's wet and stuff.
Not here. Ours just freezes.
All right. It's about to get dumb up in here. On tonight's show, you can expect two dummies roll a random dice. We pick a random stock. We do that Tres Amigos. And then we do a little bit of homework on all three of those stocks. And we say, hey, look, this one's a good one to put our retirement money into. And then we built a whole portfolio doing that. So we're going to check out our portfolio. Oh, and by the way, we won awards from Webull 2 months in a row that we kicked the Dow's butt. So yeah, that's what we got going for us. Let's go roll some dice. What do you say?
Let's do that.
Oh, is that how we do it? That's how we do it. All right, so let's see. That's the random guy. Yeah. All right, so we roll random dice. It says a 1. We go out here. We pick a random stock. We click this stupid thing 1. All right, we get an SGD. Good Lord. That's like what I used to have to do in kindergarten. All right.
Say SGD.
SGDJ.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you're at the optometrist.
Oh, you're going to like that one.
Oh, yeah? Hey, come on. Don't go playing ahead. All right, next roll is a 4. We go out here to our random stock picker. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wood. Oh, I love it. Last night we had deep and well, and tonight we get wood. I love it.
WOOD?
Yeah, we bought deep last night. So if we get deep, we can have deep wood. Oh, yeah. All right, final roll is a 5. Go down here to our random stock picker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BDN. All right, how this works. Harry, who's a smart guy in this group, is using Webull, which is our trading platform. And in the description down below, there's a link. If you click that link, you put $100 in. Webull's going to give you 2 free stocks. Boom, you're an investor. Check you out. I go out here to Yahoo, and we're going to learn a little bit about these companies. So we're going to look at BDN. We're going to find out who they are. This is Brandywine Realty Trust. I'm liking it already.
I like the wine part.
Oh, wow. I wonder if they had a split or something. I don't know. Wow. They've been around forever, dude.
So a self-administered and self-managed real estate investment trust engaged in the acquisition, development, redevelopment, ownership, management, and operation of a portfolio of office and mixed-use properties. The company operates through 5 segments in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania suburbs, Austin, Washington, and Philadelphia CBD segment includes properties located in Philadelphia. Well, yeah, that kind of makes sense. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what they do.
So riddle me this, Batman.
81 properties.
In 2020, it was their highest earnings year that's on the screen.
All right.
How does a company that leases office space have their best revenue in 2020 when everybody went and worked from home?
Well, because they're still charging them. Still charging rent.
You think?
Oh, yeah, you betcha. Absolutely.
You don't think people skipped out on rent?
No, not businesses.
Huh. How are they doing quarterly? Let's see. Oh, there we go. There's the real truth. Q2 2021. Zip. In fact, is it negative? Oh, it is negative.
Of what?
We're going to see.
Their revenue?
Negative earnings.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
Their revenue was... Yeah, but earnings are negative, which is what I was expecting.
Million. Yeah. So you can kind of see total revenue at, Q1 2021 was 120 million, Q2 120 million, Q3 120 million. So there's no growth. There's just people that are just continuing to pay rent just because they're locked into 10-year or 50-year leases, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, this one's not doing anything for me now.
No, I would say this is not something we want to be involved in.
No, if it was residential, then I'd be all over it. All right, let's check out some wood.
So the wood
That's
that you
something.
get, is it on the NASDAQ or the TSX? Must be the NASDAQ, right?
This one is the NASDAQ, yes.
So is it the iShares Global Timber?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So I would have thought that peak. Oh, that's about right. April. Yeah, that's when lumber was real expensive.
Yep.
So who do these guys own and what are they doing? They are composed of global equities related to the timber and forestry industry. Okay. Well, I would say for the next probably 12 months, this is probably a fairly good investment. But is it going to slightly go down? Do we think there's going to be capacity that comes in? Is there going to be the unrelenting demand that there is right now? What's going to happen in forestry?
Up.
Any thoughts?
Up.
At least steady, right?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. So this one might be maybe. Let me see if we can do fractionals on this one because we can't afford a whole share. That's some expensive jobbers there. Let's see here. Hey, are you on the Weeble? Does it show you if you can buy fractionals when you're on that one on the desktop?
I have no idea how to do that. How do I do that?
Share your screen for just a second. Let me see. The duck is covering it on so I can only do fractionals when it's on my mobile app, and it has a little green, like a little green clover or something that says you can do fractionals. So I think it would be right around where the duck head is for me, which is in the upper right-hand corner. If you hover over those, does anything say fractionals? I would assume. I think this is probably
day trade leverage, overnight leverage, maintenance requirement, estimated borrow fees.
Yeah, it's not helping me. All right, let's see here. Wood. All right, so yeah, this is fractional. So if we do want to go with wood, we can go with wood.
Okay.
All right. Our last one. Should we check out SGDJ? Oh, you know I'm in love with that. You know it. And all it's done is punished me for years upon years upon years.
A junior gold miner ETF.
I love it. And you know I love that. Let's see.
I know
they own Bellevue, K9, Skeenan. Oh, they do. Yeah, those are some smaller guys. All right.
Huh. So what happened? They've got the COVID dip, a substantial run, another dip, a dip, and a dip, and a dip, and a dip. Gold sucks.
Yeah, I mean, this is one of those ones you would have to play this thing daily, right? When she's up, you're selling. When she's down, you're buying, and you're making a living on the variation. I mean,
like if you look at the day charts here, in September of 2021 or early October, they hit a low and then they ran for about 2 weeks, and then they dipped for a week, and then they ran for another 10 days.
We're in a buy the dip. A buy the dip right now, dude.
I think we're gonna
5 days ago they were at 47.
I think we're gonna buy the dud.
No, you're gonna buy the dip. It has to go up. It has to.
Yeah.
And then it'll go back down when all the shorts are thrown in. See, this is where I get to put on my tinfoil hat, right? And go into all the conspiracy theories about all the paper shorts in the market keeping the man down.
Wrong show.
I know. But I do think this one has a lot of cyclicality to it. Sure. And I think we have an opportunity. We'll have to keep an eye on it. If we do buy it at 42, when it gets up around 47, we need to just dump her and take our $5 and be happy.
All right. I'm not.
But is that enough? That's going to be 12%, 12.5%. Are we happy with 12.5%?
Well, we've got some 30s that we haven't sold.
I know. What the hell are we thinking? Somebody asked me that. They're like, what are you thinking? Why are you not selling all these good ones? I was like, because we don't need to. We got money in the bank. Put more in. They also told me, so I was told that we are the epitome of dumb because we should have had our cash sitting in one of our dividend plays and just selling it when we needed it to buy stuff. So I'm not, it is what it is. So what are you thinking? Are you thinking the gold stuff just because I like it? Or are you thinking the wood is going to be the place to go? We know wood is going to be strong for probably at least 12 to 18 months, right?
Yeah, I really have, I'm not impartial to either. So I will lean towards whatever direction you would like to go.
The gold would be fun if we were doing a show about investing that, hey, here's what you do for the next 10 days, right? 10 days, you're going to make money on this gold. It's going to go back up. You're going to make your $5 a share and be, woohoo, check me out, right? I'm an investor. But then it's gone and poop, it doesn't do anything. I think give the wood 6 months, maybe 8 months when we start needing money. I bet we're more than 12%.
Could be.
All right, I'm putting a check mark next to wood.
All right.
I think the gold would be a fast play and then we'd be out. I think the gold market needs a lot more time to mature and get some of their shorts taken care of.
Yes.
And that's a topic for another show, folks.
Bitcoin is eating gold's lunch.
It has nothing to do with Bitcoin. It has zero to do with Bitcoin. It has everything to do with paper shorts. And there's certain individuals don't have to play by the same rules as the rest of us. But Bitcoin's probably hurting it too. How's Bitcoin done the last couple of days, man? I haven't been watching.
It tanked back down to 54-ish thousand, and I think I didn't see it today, but somewhere in the realm of 56,000. I know a way that we can solve this. BTC USD.
Yep.
Where you at?
57.
56,389.
Yeah, when it gets to 41.8, I'm in.
That's the number, hey?
Yep.
All right. So over here, we are now looking at our positions. This is our portfolio. And we've got a few big red losses today.
14% in one day. Way to go, Ideomics. Woohoo! You're our boys. Oh my God, it just fell off a cliff. Jeez,
it came out with earnings. So estimated EPS was a loss of 8 cents and actual was 11.
Oh, now if we're punishing people who beat, then this should just be burned at the stake.
I think that has a lot to do with the 14% straight down.
Yeah. Although it did recover by 2.7 after hours.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We've got Fuel Tech
on the chart. I don't see that happening.
Fuel Tech is down 9.5% today.
Man, that's horrible.
That
is just horrible.
Was down 4.75% and so on and so forth.
Oh, come on. Alta's been at the top of our list. They're going to lose their number one spot. Alta, what are you doing?
On the other side, on the green side.
Green side, oh yeah.
We've got Centennial.
No clue.
6.5%.
I don't know who they are. Do you remember them?
7 million shares traded. Wow.
What's going on?
Park City up 4.33%.
Hey, that's nice. Did you see that? Well, they were down like 18% yesterday. They were horrible. They won the We're Choking award.
Green Lane up 3.97 and continuing the growth after hours. So good to see.
Yeah, that is good.
Certified, just a honorable mention here. Look at those lines it's following that we drew how long ago?
I know.
These lines that were drawn were drawn a long time ago. When was this? July.
We're just going to watch this one just circle the old toilet bowl.
July, we drew that line, and look at it just bounce right off those lines.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
We should have drawn it the other way. What were we thinking?
And then retrace right back down to those lines. Awesome.
Yeah, not awesome.
So
was
overall on the day, somehow we seem to.
Woo! Did you see that just change?
Yeah,
We just made an extra buck right
a
there.
few dollars. So
That was
$2.94
wonderful.
today.
Hey, it's a green day. We'll take it. We've had
And
5 reds in a row. We needed a
without
green.
doubt. And that's the power of diversification on the portfolio. Lots of red, lots of green. So it was overall not huge wins, not huge losses. So leading the way, we have D Now up 27.44%. We've got Worry Bank up 25.42% and Alta Equipment up 22.16%. So it did give up its top spot.
So I'm wondering, should we review charts on our top 5s and see if we're like getting close to a peak or realizing a peak and saying, man, maybe we should dump out of that thing now because we're at a peak? I don't want to look back in time and see this awesome, what we're thinking, right? Because we don't really, we know they're at the top. And
right.
So we look at our top 5?
Probably.
And look for an exit strategy?
Or maybe just some of them that are just kind of hanging out there, like Alta Equipment Group. That was definitely pumped on the Build Back Better plan, right? So it's probably just going to bleed out a little bit from here.
Probably.
Right. Maybe even the industrials bull, something like that.
So check out, let's open up D Now because we haven't seen D Now in a long time. Yeah.
D Now profile. So distributor to the oil and gas and industrial markets. I think they've got a fair amount of runway left.
Probably, yeah.
I think they're good for probably another 6 to 8 months.
Yeah, I concur on that.
So there you go. And then our biggest losers, we've got Ideanomics taking
it from the bulls. Way to go, Ideanomics. Woohoo!
Yeah, down 34.91%. We've got the Brazil bull down 31%, BurgerFi down 28%, Green Lane down 25%, Butterfly down 18%. Yeesh.
Green Lane and Butterfly were the ones we doubled down on. There's a lesson to everybody. But remember, we doubled down because they were like the biggest loser today. We're like, yeah, what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah, that's what's go down some more.
They can just keep going. Absolutely. Go all the way.
So there you have it.
All right. So we're buying some wood. Life's going to be awesome. All right. When are we getting together again? Not until Monday, right?
It's only Tuesday.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
It's only Tuesday today.
I know. We're off.
You're off? Out?
Oh, what happened there? My internet. Yeah, we're off for 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Is the market open on Friday?
I don't know, but what about Wednesday?
I guess we can do Wednesday. We traditionally don't because there's nothing going on the next day. So on a Friday, we usually don't do it.
Works for me. I got lots going on tomorrow. So.
We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll run one. We'll have to see.
All right. Fair enough. We will play it by ear.
All right, everybody. Thanks for joining. Thanks for wasting 18 minutes of your life. Hope you had fun. This is Rollin, buying stocks. Don't trade like that guy.
Or don't trade like that guy. Good night.